quickest quarterback unboxing from Hermes. Compelly Me, Kelly. You guys. I got it. I got my quarterback over in Paris. Finally, 4 trips. This is trip 4. 4th trip, 4 attempts. 4th time's the charm. Okay, I'm gonna do, this is gonna be the quickest. I'm gonna try to really, really fast. I'm gonna just do an unboxing. I will tell the story in a different video. We're just gonna do the unboxing and I will do a full unboxing tomorrow as I promised. We'll do the unboxing today as I promised. We'll do a full unboxing of everything I got tomorrow and I will do the story as well, either tomorrow or in a separate video. But I just wanted to do a quick quarterback unboxing. Quickest quarterback unboxing for Hermes. I got my bag in Paris. Finally! Compelling Me, Kelly. I compelled this Kelly. More on that later in the story, but I literally compelled Kelly. I did it. We did it. You guys did it. We did it together. Manifested. You did it. I did it. We did it. We're gonna make it quick. I re-unboxed it. I'm already using it. I've already posted about it. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and Hermes. Oh! And I just got back from Paris, and we are doing a quick quarterback unboxing of my Hermes quarterback. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I have the Holy Trinity now. PKC. I did it. I did it and I'm done. Thank you, Hermes. Well, I'm not done, but I did it. I know these are material things. Okay, but yeah, before we get into it, real quick, I know these are material things. I know it's just stuff, but I love it. It makes me happy, and I'm a shopaholic, and we all know why we're here, so I'm never going to rehab for that. Alcoholic, shopaholic. Alcoholic, working on, constantly working on. Shopaholic will never stop. Okay, so I'm just going to box it. I'm not going to even tell a story. We're just going to box it. If you know the box, you know the box. Okay, so I asked for this. This is what I asked for, and this is what I got. I asked for what I got, and I got it. In the size, in the color, in the bag, everything. So, bye. Bye, don't need you. Oh, I reboxed it for you guys, obviously. I mean, I think you know already. By the way, strap, but I got an extra strap because this strap is a little short for me. I mean, it'll work, but it's a little short because it kind of goes right here. So I got an extra strap, which I had to go back and pick up. So pair strip coming again. Raincoat. They don't give these anymore. I had to ask for this. Care package. Let's get that all the way. Twilly's already on. I've already unboxed it. I've already used it, but it's so small. It's a Kelly 25 in the color Green Misty, which is the new 2024 color, which I think I've talked about on this channel, which I've talked about obsessively. It's like a gray, blue, black. Epsom leather. Permabrass hardware, which is, I thought it was only a special order thing, but they're starting to do it, I think, on more bags, which kind of makes it a little less special, but whatever. This is special because I asked for rose gold, but permabrass is great. I'll do a whole other video on it, but it's basically a mix between gold and palladium, and it can look like either or both ways, and I'm already using it. I boxed it up just to box it, but plastic's off, she's mine, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Kelly 25 sellier. Okay, that's it. This is gonna be the quickest unboxing. I'll tell you about it more later. And I will do a separate video unboxing of everything that I got in Paris from Hermes. But everything I got a lot of stuff, all post-spend. Except for one thing. I bought one thing before buying this, and then my appointment, and then I post-spent everything else. So it wasn't even like I was post-spent in excitement because I wanted whatever. Anyway. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is my new Kelly, this is my new baby, this is my moon. It's beautiful. Hello. It's mine. My own. My precious. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemy nexus. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your long weekend. I will.